Anuj, somebody sold, and somebody sold a lot because you fell 350 points in the last hour. So my sense is that all this central bank music is not going to help the market move higher. As you can see with Asia, they are not jumping around with any sort of joy. So my sense is that you get your 20-point gap up, and chances are it will quickly get sold into at 11,000, 11,050. There is some trend line support, and once that support is given up, you will see further declines. That should be the possibility which has the greater odds. Similarly, on the bank nifty, again what we have to see is what was the high of yesterday and how much did we fall. So the complete bar is not from Friday's close, the complete bar is from yesterday's high. So again, bank nifty fell 650, 700 points. PSU banks came in for special treatment on the downside. So my sense is that we continue to remain poised for further declines, and unless we are able to cross 11,400, which is quite a distance away, there should be traction on the downside, not on the upside. See, SBI is a sell with a stop of 292, target of 278. It started to come off. I think as you get close to the cards IPO, you'll have further selling. BOB is a sell with a stop of 74, target of 66. Tata Steel remains a sell with a stop of 369, target of 354. Ashok Leyland, maybe you can buy with a stop of 68 and look for targets of about 80. And Escorts is a buy with a stop of 840, target of 875.
There is a lot of market volatility, and that's obvious. We all understand and see it. Inside this volatility, it's very difficult to identify a day trading, intraday trading opportunity. Long or short, you can be right and still see the market move 50 or 100 points against you before you get right. That's not a good place for a trader to be in. So there is no trade in this volatile market. I think in a couple of days, today, tomorrow, this volatility will subside the world over, and then the proper short-term trading strategies will come back into place. The trade is not there, but the positional trade is still there. This is a level at which you want to start accumulating good quality blue chips and the Nifty. Let's not get mistaken. This is a bull market and it's a correction. Yes, I have, and Jubilant has been outperforming Jubilant Foodworks in this market. But at some point, stocks come and pause. That pause is now visible on the charts, and I would expect a mild correction on the downside, which is why it's a short sell. And as usual, all short sells for me are always intraday. There are three buying opportunities. Stocks are outperforming. Actually, it happens always that some stocks outperform and continue to outperform once the market stabilizes. So there are three of them in my list, all for buying. Castrol, which is doing much better than the broad market, is having a small bullish pattern and is likely to move up. Escorts, same story, outperformance for the last 3 months, and that should continue. And Shriram Transport Finance, leave aside the NBFCs independently, this chart looks ready for more upside.